Hello coffee lovers, summer is definitely in. I am having here an iced long black. Would you like to know how to make iced long black? This is a video tutorial requested by one of my viewers from Australia. So today it is going to be iced long black using espresso brewed from the espresso machine. Before we start pulling our espresso shots, just a quick clarification on the difference between Americano and long black. It is different in the way it is prepared. For Americano, you pour your espresso first before your water or any liquid that you would like to combine with your espresso. Whereas long black, it is the liquid and you top it up with your espresso. So for the purpose of this video tutorial, I'm going to call it long black. You may call it anything you like as long as you call it or you try this drink. We are going to use 16 ounces for the recipes that I'm going to show you today. Let's get started. I'm going to show you 3 different types of iced long black. So I'm going to pull 3 double shot espresso. Ice orange long black. A glass full of ice here, our 4 ounces or half a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice from this, and of course our 2 ounces of espresso. And I'm going to top it up with a slice of orange to make it more premium. And the way I slice my orange is I put a little bit of a triangular strip there so that when I put it on top of my drink, I have some space for my straw. So if you're wanting to have an orange juice and coffee at the same time because you don't have much time, then this is the way to go. Ice orange long black. Next it is ice coconut long black. For this, it is going to be half a cup of coconut juice, to make it more premium, we're going to add some coconut meat on top. Ever so slowly, you don't want to mess that layer. Sundowner iced coconut long black. And finally, last but not the least, our classic iced long black. I've got my freshly brewed espresso here, beautiful shot, 2 shots or 60 ml of espresso. And for this, it's only so simple, water and espresso. And if you feel like having a treat, you may also add some sugar syrup. But for this, because this is espresso, I'd like to really taste the bitterness of that coffee, strong coffee. So I'm going to skip the sugar syrup, but that you can put optional. Let's put our water at the bottom of the glass, like a true long black. My coffee is very, very creamy. It is going down. Well, it seems that espresso are heavier than normal regular brewed coffee. So here you go. This is my espresso. I'm going to decorate it with fresh strawberry. Let me find where I cut it. And some mint. Looks like more like Americano than long black. Anyway, there you go. 3 iced long black using espresso shots. It's time to give them a try. I'm going to start with the orange long black. Wow. The combination of the strong espresso and the sweetness and sourness of the orange, perfect combination. Next, our sundowner, which is iced long black, iced coconut long black. Wow, that is so perfect. I think I love this, the taste of this, like complementary, little bit bitter coffee with slightly sweet and sour as well coconut. And of course that coconut meat, I can't wait to have it later. Delicious. And finally, the classic iced long black, or this time it is the Americano. I wasn't able to get the separation because the espresso might be quite heavy for just the water. This is unsweetened. There's no strawberry in there. This is just for me to balance the taste later. Wow. Americano lovers, this is it. You are going to enjoy this. That's all I have today. I hope that you enjoyed watching today's video tutorial and that you would try all these recipes. When you do so, do let me know. Send me some photos if you made this beautifully looking iced long black at home. Next video tutorial is going to be iced long black using cold brew coffee. So stay tuned. Don't forget to click that subscribe button below, and I'll see you again in my next video tutorial. More coffee, tea, and milk tea recipes on this channel. Stay tuned. In the meantime, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.